Strawberries. Blend well. One cup strawberries finely chopped. 1 cup sugar. Cook on medium to low flame for 15 minutes. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Cook on low flame for 8 to 10 minutes. Wait for 10 seconds. Perfect consistency. Can be stored in refrigerator for 3 to 4 months.